today's our lecture is on objects and the class. These are the two fundamental concepts of the object-oriented programming. So let's try to understand what is meaning of an object and what is meaning of a class. Okay. So the object definition of object in a very simple way, an object is a real entity. So you can thought what is a real entity? Okay, so the answer may be the which is exist in nature, like you, mango tree, indica car, etc. Okay, so let's look this in more closer way. Now question arises, what is in nature? So whatever you can see and feel is come under the nature. Okay, like apple, grapes, pineapple, pigeon, sparrow, peacock, rose, marigold, cars, red car, black car, infant, child, man, old man. So whatever you can see and feel is come under an object. Okay, but this object is belong to some class. Okay, so what is a class? Combination of similar kind of an object or objects are class. Let's see. So there is apple, grapes, pineapple belong to the same class, and you know that class is fruit. So here class is fruit, but objects are all this. Similarly here in case of pigeon, sparrow, peacock, all are the belong to some class. That class we call it bird. Now move on to rose. Rose objects is marigold and rose. Now this also belong to some class, and you know what is that class? Yes, you are right, flower. Similarly car, then car is also belong to some class. Good. Similarly all these are infant, child, man, old man, all these are girl, boy, whatever, all belong to the same class, human being. Okay. Now here you can see that all these are belong to some classes, objects, but they are different. On what basis you can see these objects are different? So there are two parameters on which you measure that these objects are different. One is their features. Feature means their color, their height, their weight, their age. Okay. So these are called the feature, and second one is their behavior, their way of working. Okay, so on these two parameter you can classify one object to the another object is still they are in the same class. Okay, it might happen that two people having the same height, but it might be possible that their behavior are totally different. Okay, so these two are the object of the same class human being, but these two are the totally different. Okay, take the other example. Look, I am saying about the bird and discuss about the fish. Can we say both can be belong to the same class? Yes, for the animal, but further you classified it. So bird, if I am saying bird to you, so what kind of feature is coming under your mind? And if I am saying fish to you, then what kind of feature coming on the mind? I think you can't think that bird can be swim for a longer time or can't be swim, but fish you can't think it can be fly. Okay, totally different features. So these two can't belong to the same class. Okay, so class, but all of these classes objects are different on the basis of features that will call the data or properties, behavior, function. So what is a class? Class is a combination of data and function. Okay, thank you.